Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 MG HS Excite, stock reference number 5304. This shape runs from the 8th month 2019 and is the current shape. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, LED type. Left power door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has 2 small dents. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with paddle shift, cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus and would like to thank you for watching this video.